Good morning, my dear students. So in the last class we have discussed about the poem Wonderful Words. So today we are going to move towards another one poem, that is A Girl Called Gold. Okay. The title itself says us how beautiful the poem was. Okay. It is a poem about a girl, a achieved girl. Let us start the lesson. A girl called golden. By David Bateson. Okay. So before going to the poem, so I'm just given introduction about the David Bateson. David Bateson was so his period was 1921 to 1998. Was an Australian poet and a photographer. So David Bateson was an Australian poet and also a photographer. David was well known among the network of children's authors and illustrators who met at the Journalists Club at Sydney. Besides writing poems for children, David was interested in ocean theatre and photography. He was published children's poems in numerous magazines and has anthologies of his own. Okay, David Bateson, he was an Australian poet and also a photographer. So he was well known amongst the network of children's authors and also illustrators. So he met at the Journalist Club at Sydney. So this is a poem about a girl. Okay. So about the poem, the Ode, a poem of praise, a poem in praise, is written on Betty Cuthbert, by name Elizabeth Cuthbert, who was an Australian athlete. She was a great sprinter and had won 3 gold medals at the 1956 Olympic Games in Melbourne. She added a 4th gold medal at the 1964 Olympics in Tokyo. Okay, so this poem is written by David Bateson about Betty Cuthbert. So her original name is Elizabeth Cuthbert. It is a poem about Betty Cuthbert. So her original name so Elizabeth Cuthbert. So Betty Cuthbert, so original name was Elizabeth Cuthbert. She is an Australian athlete. So Betty Cuthbert, so she is an Australian athlete and great sprinter, had won 3 gold medals. Okay, she won 3 gold medals. Okay, she won. Betty Cuthbert won 3 gold medals. She is basically from Australian athlete. Okay, so 1956. In 1956 Olympic Games in Melbourne, she added a 4th gold medal at the 1964 Olympic in Tokyo. So let us start the poem A Girl Called Gold. So the poet is asking her the questions that why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Why did you sprint if they started to run? Why did you train while others were playing? What was the secret that it seemed fun? Was it the feel of the fresh air and sunshine? Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? What made the coach recognize long spells of effort and much to be learned, heeding the words that some others rejected, knowing that winning could only be earned. Time slipped away, then came the Olympics, still in your teens, but spurred on by the cheers, glory at last. As you gained your gold medals, a time to remember the rest of your years. Okay, sprint here means to run or to go very fastly for a short distance. Why did you run when your schoolmates were walking? Usually when your classmates or when your friends, when they are walking, when they are going, what we are doing? We are also same thing. We are also doing same thing. We are just going or we are just walking with them. But Betty Cuthbert, what she is doing? When her schoolmates were walking, she is what? She is run. Betty Cuthbert was running when her schoolmates were walking. Why did you sprint if they started run? Sprint means run or to go very fast. Okay, run to go very fast. Why did you do like that? Why did you try while others were playing? So when her friends were playing, games, why did you try? Why did you try herself? So you can also go and you can also play with your friends. Why did you try yourself? What was the secret that made it seem so fun? So what was the secret? It looks very fun. So when all the children are playing, when all the children are walking, so except one child, so that child was doing some other work. It seems like so fun. It seems like fun. So everyone was playing, but one child was doing something, some other things. It looks very fun, right? It looks very strange. Why did you do like that? The poet was asking. Was it feel the fresh air and sunshine? So when everyone was walking, you are run. So the poet was guessing that is that feel fresh air, is to take the fresh air. So he is asking question, and only because of the sunshine. So was taking the sunshine. Was it the stir of the breeze in your hair? So it looks very so for girls. So when their hair is going back, the effect of the air, it looks very beautiful. So for that reason you are run. So the poet was asking, what made the coach recognize you was so special? The coach recognized you, okay, the best athlete. So what was the reason? Why he recognized others? Why he did not recognize others? Why he is only recognized you? What was the reason? So was it because you had a courage to spare? So the reason is to courage. You are the brave. So he is asking. Showing your will when the muscles were aching. So when your muscles were aching, very painful. So that on that situation also you are showing your willpower, your strength. Long spells of effort and much to be learned, heeding the words that some others rejected, knowing that winning could only be earned. So the athlete Betty Cuthbert, she knows that winning is the only earn. Okay. Winning gives us happiness. Winning gives us recognition. Winning gives everything. So before that, she knows everything. Betty Cuthbert knows everything that winning is, so it is earned. It is a real earning. And time slipped away. Then came the Olympics. The time was flying. Time was flying. The Olympics came now. Still you are teens, but spurred on by the cheers. Spurred means to encourage. Try to harder to achieve something. Do hard work to get the success. A time to remember the rest of your years. As you glory at last, as you gained your gold medals. So you got the gold medals now. To rest of your life you can remember the success, only success. So this is the story of a girl. She said a girl got golden. She got 4 medals, 4 gold medals continuously in the Olympics. So that the poet called Betty Cuthbert as a golden girl. Okay. So when everyone was doing their work, she is practicing. She did not enjoy like others. She works hard to get the success. Okay. This is the poem. Hope you understand. Thank you.